G'day guys, I'm Joey from Jollop Lures and welcome to this week's video. You guys have asked for it. We're back bass fishing. We're in the kayak. We're out here this morning, absolutely cracking morning. So far the fishing has been a little slow. Missed a few nice fish on surface, but that's what we've been throwing around. A little rat I just whipped up this week for the today's session. Just caught our first fish on him. It was a nice fish. We're gonna go catch some more. Stay tuned. I think this is gonna be a good one. First hit of the morning, that was a good fish too. Just missed another one there. A little bit smaller fish for this big lure, they're just sort of not real committed at it. There he is. Nice. First fish on the rat. Alright, there he is, number one on the board. And that's on my little rat that I just whipped up there. She's a bit rough around the edges. How cool is that? Fish number one. Not a big fish, only probably low, mid-30s, but ate that nice big mouse rat lure there. So stoked about that. There he goes. And give you a little bit of a better look at this guy before I lose him. There he is there. It's hard to see, there's not much light here at the moment, but he's got that real nice pearlescent finish to him. Real quick, it was a real quick lure mark that. It was, I knew I wanted to catch a fish on something different, so I quickly whipped that up and boom. Let's catch some more. Oh, that's a big one. Well, I hope you caught that one. That was a really nice one. He would have been over 40. And where I had him over, I was trying to skull drag him in and I didn't get the net to him in time, but it's alright. It was a nice one on the surface rat. Oh, there's another one there now. Yep. Oh, a few in there. Oh. They're angry now. I don't know if you've ever seen that. Oh, dropped it. That's why you throw big lures. He's actually not as big as I first thought he'd be. 41, 42. Beautiful fish. And there's the old rat. How good. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in. It's number 2. Don't know how many we've lost. We missed a heap back there on that log. They're just starting to fire up a little bit now, so let's get into them. Alright, well I just switched over to the D-style reverse because as you can hear, the cicadas are just out of control. And I don't make a cicada imitation, so that's why I've just put that on. And another little fish, number 3. There's one. Oh, it's a monster. And there he goes. Well, that broke the drought. I haven't got one in a while. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he's got me bricked. Feels like a fair fish. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, nice one. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, yeah. There he is. I didn't bring my reel today. I'll measure him on my rod measuring later, but I'm going to say he's like a mid-40. Sorry, it's had a March fly bite me on the arm. I'd say he's a mid-40s, beautiful fish. And the old bass man spinnerbait does it again. When it's tough, put a spinnerbait on and you catch her. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a fair fish too. Whoa. Nice one. Oh, there we go. Just goes to show when it's tough, change your lure, put a spinnerbait on, and you'll still catch some lovely fish. Number 6. We had a big dry spell there, but I think it was more of, we just weren't in the area where the fish were. We're back into some narrower water and the water's actually flowing and it's got the fish concentrated on these snags. So I think it's more an area than the lure, but the surface bite's obviously died now, so you got to go subsurf, and the old spinnerbait does a pretty damn good job. Absolutely no water there at all. Nice. It's not that big actually, but like because it was in about a foot of water, holy hell he went. Number 7. Nice. So I missed a bite there on a spinnerbait, and I just threw the River King 60 in there and boom, straight on. How good. And that's number 8, I think. Oh, it's on again. Next cast. Better fish. Number 9. Number 9, off we go. Can we go for the Hattrick? 3 and 3 casts, here we go. Nah. Oh, yep, we did it. We did it. 3 and 3 casts, a Hattrick. Number 10, how good that? 3 in 3 casts, you saw that? That's awesome. The Hattrick fish, there's a little River King. Sorry, it's real bright there at the minute, but 3 and 3 casts, and there's the River King 60. How good's that? And the 3 on the 3 casts were all on that one lure. That's pretty cool. Not a bad fish, mid-30s. Beautiful. There's one. Just switch bait, so I just put the spinnerbait away because I had a bite on it. I'm just going to throw the hard body straight back through there. Because often you show them a different presentation, they'll get excited and they'll eat it. So that one might have felt the hook, so probably not going to get a bite out of him. Oh, no, there he is. We did get the bite out of him, so proof in the pudding. Get a bite, have the second rod there, and just throw it straight back in. This is a pretty good chance you'll get a bite out of him. Number 12 on the River King. Well, that was fun. Oh, the camera again. It's alright in there. Well, that was fun. Right, empty this out and sort myself out. Never a dull moment. Thought that was a stupid idea when I did it. I'm like, I shouldn't slide off that log because I know what's going to happen. Exactly what happened. Oh well, you would have got some enjoyment out of that, I'm sure. Oh, there's one. Got him. Oh no. Yep, got him. Number 13. I think that's 13. I don't know. Something like that. Oh, I see what I lost in all of that with my pliers, I think. River King again. Lovely. Try and show you the technique here. He hit that 3 or 4 times and I didn't just keep cranking it. I paused it and twitched it. So hopefully we can show you another one here. So we'll just did a nice slow roll. Oh, hit it. Now pause. Twitch it. Twitch it. Twitch it. Didn't come back on that occasion. We'll try it again. Do that slow pause, slow roll. Whoop. Got him. Got him that time. That's a nice fish. Very good. Number 14. Well guys, that's the end of this week's video. Man, today's video had it absolutely all. What an adventure we went on. So we got them on top water, swimbait, rats, crankbaits, other little surface lures. Ended up with 15 fish, which was pretty cool. Rolled the kayak, which I'm sure you guys thoroughly enjoyed that at my expense. Yeah, can't really complain. It was a really good little session. Just on lunchtime now, it's pretty hot, so we're getting off the water. Covered all the water we wanted to do anyway, so that little rat's cool. Stoked to get some really nice fish on that. So missed a heap. I don't know how many fish we missed there this morning, but it was crazy. You might not see them all in here, but yeah, it was a pretty crazy little bite there this morning. So if you enjoyed this, guys, which I'm sure you did, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment down below. And I think that you guys just want to see bass videos. As soon as we do a bass video, you guys love to see it, and I love to do bass. So let's just stick with some bass videos for the rest of the season. Hey guys, catch you on the next one.